Hey there, in this video, I will show you exactly how to change Shopify domain name. Open up the web browser. Here search Shopify. Click to open its site. Tap on Login button. Click to open My Store from Stores. Then go into Settings from the bottom left corner. Scroll down to click on Domains. You can see the domain of your store from here. Click on Change to a new myshopify.com domain. Now enter the name of your domain. See the availability of the name you want, then choose the available name. After that, click to Add Domain. Now you can see the domain name has changed. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.